Good morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your teacher Miss Rafia and today I am going to teach you sound of alphabets. In English today we will learn sound of alphabets. In previous classes we had studied from letter A to F. Now today we will learn sound of G to L letter. So let's begin with the G. So the first letter is capital G and the second is small g, capital G and small g. Gauri is a little girl. She loves to eat guava and grapes. Gogo, the goat, is her good friend. Now, the second story we have is of letter H. Students, the first one is capital H and the second one is small h. So, let's start. Hobo, the baby, baby horse, lives in a house in the hills. The sound of H is he wears a hat. One day he meet the hungry hippo. Now the next letter we have is I. The first one is capital I and the second one is small I. Incy is a little iguana. One day she meets some insects. Now the next story we have is of letter J. Students, the first letter is capital J and the second is small j. Jackie is a clever jackal. He wears a blue jacket. He has a jeep. His mother makes jam for him, and also she makes juice for Jackie. Now the next story we have is of letter K. Students, the first one is capital K and the second one is small k. Kilo is a sad koala. One day, Kilo meets Dr. Kangaroo. Dr. Kangaroo gives him golden keys and a pink kite. Now the next story we have is of letter L. The first one is capital L and the second one is small l. Lipu, the lamb, lives in the forest. Lipu drinks water from a lake. One day, one lazy lion also lives in the forest. One lazy lion also lives in the forest.